Yo, what's up guys, what's going on? So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can open your control center using VoiceOver. So there are two ways you can open your control center. So the first option works for Windows Face ID users and home button users, and the second option only works for Face ID users. But before I start the video, make sure to share my channel to your family and friends so you can also help them out if they need help. And make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell so you always get notified when I post a new video. And let's start the video. So you're going to tap at the top right corner of your iPhone.
87% battery power. Not charging. Status bar item. Swipe down with 3 fingers to reveal notifications. Swipe up with 3 fingers to reveal the control center. Double tap to scroll to top.
So something like this appears, and right here you can see your battery percentage and your Wi-Fi and all that. And you're going to swipe up with 3 fingers.
Control center. Airplane mode. Switch button. Off.
And the control center opens.
Double tap and hold to show more controls. Double tap to toggle setting.
So here's the second option.
CAI. Double tap to open.
So you're going to put your finger on top of your screen. Top edge of your screen. Then you hear sound
LTE.
and you
Status
just
bar item.
slide down.
Control center.
And then the
Airplane
process
mode. Switch
opens.
button.
So guys, this is the second option. So let me know in the comment section if I was able to help you out. And if you have any question to ask me, you can also ask me in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.